Looking for powerful performance in a compact size? In this video, we're breaking down the top 5 best mini PCs you can buy right now, perfect for work, gaming, and home setups. We'll cover performance, value, and real-world use so you don't waste your money. Subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews and the best deals online. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's dive in. Number 1. Beelink Mini PCs. Beelink Mini PCs are designed for people who want solid performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop. These compact computers pack modern processors, fast SSD storage, and plenty of RAM options into a small, clean design that fits easily on a desk, behind a monitor, or even in a home office setup. Despite their size, Beelink Mini PCs handle everyday tasks like web browsing, office work, media streaming, and light creative work smoothly. What makes Beelink stand out compared to other mini PCs is the balance between performance, efficiency, and reliability. Many models support dual displays, fast Wi-Fi, and quiet cooling, which makes them ideal for multitasking without distracting fan noise. They also consume less power than full-size desktops, making them a smart choice for long daily use. Pros include compact size, fast boot times, low noise, and versatile connectivity. Cons can be limited upgrade options and not being ideal for high-end gaming or heavy 3D workloads. Using a Beelink Mini PC is simple. Just plug it into a monitor, connect a keyboard and mouse, and you're ready to go. Overall, it's a great option for students, remote workers, home offices, and anyone who wants a clean, minimal setup. See the description for more details. Number 2. KAMRUI Mini PCs. KAMRUI Mini PCs are designed for people who want strong everyday performance in a small, clean, and modern setup. These mini PCs come in a compact form factor but pack enough power for office work, online classes, home entertainment, and even light creative tasks. With support for fast processors, SSD storage, and smooth multitasking, KAMRUI focuses on balancing performance and efficiency. What makes KAMRUI Mini PCs better than many competitors is their reliability for daily use. They boot quickly, handle multiple apps smoothly, and stay energy efficient, which is great for long working hours. Compared to bulky desktops, they save space, run quietly, and fit easily behind a monitor or on a desk. Pros include compact size, low noise, smooth performance for everyday tasks, and easy setup. Cons may include limited upgrade options and not being ideal for high-end gaming or heavy video editing. My analysis: KAMRUI Mini PCs are practical, stable, and user-friendly. Setup is simple. Just connect a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and you're ready to go. They're perfect for students, remote workers, home offices, and casual users. If you want a clean, efficient computing solution without complications, this is a solid choice. See the description for more details. Number 3. GMKtec Mini PCs. GMKtec Mini PCs are designed for people who want solid performance without the bulk of a traditional desktop. These compact machines pack modern processors, fast SSD storage, and efficient cooling into a small, clean design that fits easily on any desk or behind a monitor. Whether you're working from home, streaming content, or handling everyday computing tasks, GMKtec focuses on reliability and smooth performance. What makes GMKtec stand out compared to other mini PCs is its balance between power and efficiency. Many competitors either sacrifice performance or run too hot, but GMKtec manages stable speeds while staying quiet. It also supports multiple displays, fast boot times, and smooth multitasking, which makes it more versatile than entry-level alternatives. The pros include compact size, low noise, energy efficiency, and dependable performance for daily use. On the downside, it's not built for high-end gaming or heavy 3D rendering, and upgrade options can be limited depending on the model. Using a GMKtec Mini PC is simple. Just plug in your monitor, keyboard, and mouse, install your software, and you're ready to go. It's a great option for students, office users, content viewers, and anyone wanting a clean, minimal setup. If you need a compact, dependable computer for everyday tasks, GMKtec Mini PCs are definitely worth considering. See the description for more details. Number 4. KAMRUI Mini PCs. The KAMRUI Mini PC is designed for people who want solid performance in a compact, clutter-free setup. Despite its small size, this mini PC delivers smooth everyday performance for tasks like web browsing, office work, online meetings, streaming, and even light creative work. It supports fast SSD storage, modern processors, and multiple ports, making it a reliable replacement for bulky desktop towers. What makes KAMRUI Mini PCs better than many others is their balance between performance, energy efficiency, and quiet operation. Unlike traditional desktops, they take up almost no desk space and run cooler, which makes them ideal for home offices, classrooms, or business environments. Compared to laptops, you get better port selection and more flexible monitor support. Pros include compact design, low power consumption, quiet cooling, and easy setup. Cons are limited upgrade options and not being ideal for high-end gaming or heavy video editing. My analysis: KAMRUI Mini PCs focus on practicality rather than hype. They're built for reliability and daily productivity, not extreme performance. Using it is simple, just plug in a monitor, keyboard, mouse, and you're ready to go. This mini PC is perfect for students, remote workers, office users, and anyone wanting a clean, minimal desk setup. See the description for more details. Number 5. BOSGAME Mini PCs. BOSGAME Mini PCs are designed for people who want strong performance in a small, clean setup. These mini computers pack modern processors, fast SSD storage, and efficient cooling into a compact body that fits easily on any desk, behind a monitor, or even in a living room setup. Despite the small size, BOSGAME Mini PCs handle everyday tasks smoothly, including office work, web browsing, video streaming, light content creation, and even casual gaming. What makes BOSGAME stand out compared to other mini PCs is its balance between performance, stability, and thermal management. Many mini PCs struggle with heat or noise, but BOSGAME focuses on efficient airflow and quiet operation, making it reliable for long working hours. It also supports multiple display outputs, which is great for productivity and multitasking. The pros include compact design, fast boot times, low power consumption, and smooth performance for daily use. On the downside, it's not meant for high-end gaming or heavy 3D rendering, and upgrade options can be limited depending on the model. Using a BOSGAME Mini PC is simple, just plug in your monitor, keyboard, mouse, and you're ready to go. It works well as a home office PC, media center, student computer, or business workstation. Overall, BOSGAME Mini PCs are a solid choice for users who want efficiency, reliability, and a clutter-free setup. Check the description for more details. Level up your videos, like and subscribe.